So I'm just going to be talking about, guys, about how my dog died. So yeah, I'm just telling you this so I can tell you the story. So this can go all back. I'm sure it was on Thursday, the 20th of June, 2025. So let's just talk about the when. I think it was Thursday, but I don't know clearly. But on the 27th of June 2025, that's when he was right then. He was alright. It was just as soon as it turned 2028. I mean, not 2028. The 28th. He just died. It was in the morning. So let me quickly explain. As I already said, I just want to explain, but let me just quickly explain that. So yeah, he was alright on the 27th of June at night time because my parents were watching him. My parents were like watching him, just messing with him and all of that. But until then, about I can say 12 o'clock, I can say 12 something o'clock. My mum phoned my dad's phone to tell him the news. I knew something was wrong because I know my dad when he's in love, like, with that smile. I knew that was not great news. Soon as he told me the dog died, or he died, I was mentally crying. I started crying. I was crying. I was like grieving on the 29th. Basically, now I'm still grieving off him. I'm mentally like grieving off him too much because he's like my best dog I ever had. And even now, I'm basically like mentally a little bit crying now. I'm just in like a sad voice. Like I'm still. Every time I'm just talking to you guys, it's just gonna make me cry. But I'm trying my best not to cry. But and I told Zane, my dog, and I know you can listen to me. Well, he can, but he can't hear the words I'm saying. Except, like, I told him one day I will become famous, Zane. And then he died. I told him I would become famous one day. I told him that. And I'm gonna keep that promise for him. So, guys, I'm trying my best to try become famous for my dog. And yeah. So I want you guys to please subscribe. I'm gonna make a channel about them. I'm gonna make a channel for him, just to honor him. And yeah, he just cried. I was crying. My mom was crying. My dad was like in a sad voice. I was like mentally sad. When I was crying, my dog. So he was a Frenchie. So my dog, I have two dogs. My dad's dog, her name is Ruby. She's a Frenchie. She, obvious, we say family. Her and him were family members. Cause when Ruby came, when she had pups, I kept one of the dogs, which was Zane. Then I took care of him, but I just wanted it. I gave him the best that I can. I was doing that like at 7 years old, 7 or 8 years old, because that Ruby's still alive. But yeah, in my mum's garden, I have Zane's in the garden, just in the grave. He's just in the garden. Every time I just look at the grave, every time I see him in a photo, it just makes me cry too much. And yeah, and I told Zane, I will become famous for you, and I will. So yeah, I only started my YouTube channel because of him. He gave me all the love and pressure, all the pressure I would need. I started a YouTube channel because I want to become famous. I'm just a medium content creator, barely with getting 24 views on at least a video, or maybe 10. But on shorts, it's way different. I get at least 1,000, maybe a couple hundred. So I'm trying my best, guys, to give you guys the most of my credit of my videos I can do. Yeah. Soon as I just figured out he died, I was crying. And also, this is one thing I was saying. Well, I was crying. My dog, Ruby, as I told you, she lives with me. I'm in my dad's now. She knew I was something was wrong with me. She came up to me. She was just kissing me, kept on licking me, the retarded. But yeah, it was just sad. I try my best for you guys, just to try to get me to at least a good amount of subscribers for you. I'm trying my hardest to post a video barely a day. Just guys, I want to become famous, like some content creators, like Elliot on VR, maybe even Roblox YouTubers as well, because I did create a Roblox channel. You can just go onto my links, then you will see it. Cody Ace. So, yeah. I just want to say that's how my dog died. And R.I.P. Zane. R.I.P. to him. R.I.P. R.I.P. Zane. And bye, guys.